Hi guys. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to run Google Ads. In the previous videos that I made in this course, you have seen all the tools you need to be able to run effective Google Ads, right? And you have also seen what you need to run YouTube ads. Today, I'm going to show you what you need and how we are going to run Google Ads, right? Google is a very huge platform and they have huge information and huge partners. So any ad you are trying to run on Google will appear almost everywhere. It will appear in search, it will appear in Gmail, it will appear in YouTube if you have a video. It will appear in their partner website, it will appear in Discover, it will appear in different places you can't even imagine, right? And I must tell you this, you have to be prepared when you are about to run Google Ads. You have to prepared. You have to be prepared. Like literally, you have to be prepared. When I mean preparation here, I mean you have to have images, lots of it, right? You have to have videos, at least one. Okay, you have to have different headlines that you have written down. You must have different descriptions that you have written down. You must have um, your Google business profile. You must have your YouTube channel. Okay, these are things you must have, especially images, and now you have to have a logo. Okay, you must have a logo. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to try to you know cut things as much as I can, but I'll at the same time I will still try to be as detailed as I can. Right? Okay, so without wasting further time, let's head over to ads.google.com. Ads.google.com to access your Google Ads Manager. And always remember, guys, always remember that to run YouTube ads, you must have to run it from Google Ads. And to run Google Ads, you must have to run it from Google Ads Manager. Okay? So I click on sign in. So it redirects me to my dashboard in Google Ads, right? So I'm in my dashboard in Google Ads now, and we are going to continue. Okay, so this is my dashboard on Google Ads. Okay, so to be able to start, we are going to click on new campaign. New campaign. Okay, we click on new campaign, and then you see different ad objectives, right? Sales, leads, web traffic, app promotion, awareness and consideration, local store visits, create a campaign without a goals guidance. Okay, create a campaign without a goals guidance. Okay. So if you want to generate leads, maybe you want to generate leads. Let's start with leads. Okay, you click on leads, and then you come here. Now it's going to ask you for contacts and phone call leads. Okay, remember that all these things are in your business profile page. Okay, these things are in your business profile page, and as you go along in creating this ad on Google, you are going to update your phone number so that this action will automatically be updated in your campaign. So you can click on continue, right? You can click on continue, and then it says select a campaign type. Okay, you can select a campaign type. Okay, here if you select a video, okay, you can select a video, but then to be able to make sure that you have maximum performance for your ad, okay, Google has an option whereby it will help you for a maximum performance for your ad, right? Maximum performance for your ad. If you want to create ads that will appear in search only, you take here, or display, or shopping, okay, or a video ad, you can take here. But if you click on performance max, this is a Google optimized AI usage whereby Google will help you optimize your ads to appear in everywhere, both on YouTube, both on search, both on Gmail, every partner Google partner website. Okay, Google will help you to distribute those ads there. Okay. Now here it says where should people go after clicking your ads? You can easily, if you want to send people to your maybe to your WhatsApp, right? You can get your WhatsApp link. Okay, you can get your WhatsApp link here. Before now, you must have created your WhatsApp link. So where should people go after clicking your ads? Just input your WhatsApp link here. Okay, this is where people will go when they click on your ad. So you choose a campaign name. So you can call this the Academy campaign one. Okay, you can click on continue. Okay, you have created a new campaign. Now let's get into the details of creating Google Ads. Okay, now we come to bidding. Okay, this is bidding. Okay, bidding should be on conversions. Okay, of conversions, and then customer acquisition. Okay, if you click this, you're going to be bidding on new customers only. Okay, but then you can click on next and don't touch anything here. Just click on next, and here you click on locations. Now, if you want only people in your country, you can choose here, and then or maybe you can choose here to enter any other location. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to choose Nigeria. Okay, and we're going to choose the language we have chosen before is English. Okay, uh, okay, English. Okay, I know none of my ads are running. Stop showing me my ads are not running. So you can click on next. Okay, so here it says let Google AI help you generate assets. Okay, AI can help you generate assets. Okay, so here it says what products or services are you advertising in this campaign? So by default, there are some products, there are some things Google has already input for you. Okay. But then if you don't want that, you can quickly remove everything. Okay. You can quickly remove everything. And then what product or services are you advertising in this campaign? So Google requires you to input keywords. It's not everything. Google may not require you to input everything. Okay. It requires you to input keywords that will enable them to better arrange your ad in the manner that your ad will perform the best. Okay. So let's say the product or services you are advertising is digital marketing. Okay. Email marketing, email marketing. Okay. Advertising content writing, advertising graphic design, advertising UI, UX design. Okay, these are things you're advertising. Okay, you can put up to 20, keywords here. Okay, you can put up to 20 keywords here. Okay, now it says what makes your products or services unique. Okay, what makes your product or services unique? Okay, you can just enter something. Before you start running ads, you must have prepared these descriptions so that you won't be left behind or you won't be confused. Okay, you won't be confused, right? So, what makes your products or services unique? Okay, you can just say, I am a unique digital marketing specialist with over 5 years of experience. Experience. I will help your business generate more revenue and see that your business grows effectively. Okay. So this is just for tutorial purposes. This is not exactly what you're supposed to be typing here, but I'm just doing this so that I can let you know that you must have to put something that makes your product or service unique. Okay. Think about something about your product that makes it unique. So you see here, this is what I'm saying. By default, it says select pages to enhance and suggest images from. Okay, because your data is on Google already, is scattered all around Google. By default, Google will put in some links for you here, okay, so that they can better enhance the images, or they can better enhance the performance of your ad. This is a performance maximum ad, okay, maximum performance ad. So it can, so that your ads can perform very very well. So you can move this. Okay, you can generate. Click on generate assets. Okay, you have to generate your assets because your assets are very important in running ads. Your assets is very important in running your ads, right? So, okay, so you can call this the assets, right? Okay, so you can, okay, here, see here, the ad strength. So you can check the strength of your ad by looking at this. The more you input more things, the more this circle keeps turning to blue, increasing your ad strength. Okay. The more you keep inputting things, the more this circle keeps turning blue. So, okay, so here is a list of where your ads will appear. It can appear on YouTube, it can appear on Gmail, it can appear on search, display, it can appear on Discover, right? These are Google places that your ad can, you know, can will appear. So you see, by default, you have already put in your final URL, so it's ticked good. And then the next thing is calls. Okay, if you want to receive calls, you might want to add your phone number. Okay, you can click here. Um, you click your default phone number, and then you can click apply. Okay, you can click apply. Oh, I've closed this assets. You can open up assets. Okay, you can click on these, and then these are headlines. Okay, these are headlines that Google by default has already put in for you. You can remove these and type in your own headlines. Okay, from the information, from the keywords you gave to Google, that's what Google used to input these headlines for you. Okay, so it's 15 of these headlines, and Google has already input those headlines for you. You can go through them, and if they are not okay for you, you can remove and add another one. So these are long headlines. You see, it's one of five. Google just put in one for me, and then you can generate long headlines. um, you can generate long headlines. You can put in keywords, okay? Generate long headlines with Google AI, right? What makes your offering unique, different to competitors, okay? Okay, you can just type what makes your offering unique. You can, if you're offering a few, if you're offering a free service for a limited amount of time, it is that unique. It's something unique, so you can use that. What makes it unique is I am offering a free service for 30 30 days. Okay, you can use this to generate more headlines. Okay, it says uh describe what you are advertising. Okay, okay, describe what you advertise. Oh, I didn't even look. Describe what you're advertising. You're advertising content writing, uh content writing, okay, copywriting, graphic design, graphic design, okay, UI, UX design. Okay, let's see. Let's try this and see. Okay. Okay, you see, Google have um, business effectively. Okay, you can use this as generating long-term headlines. You can use this based on your product and service. You can use this. You can click on these two, and then uh, you can save them as your long tail headlines. You see, you have generated three more headlines, and if you have long tail headlines, you can just put them here. Okay, you can just say grow your business for free for 30 days for free for 30 days. Okay, it's another headline, and you can type in another headline. Um, okay, you can just leave it at four, all right? You can just leave it at four long tail headlines, or you can just complete it five, and then you can move on. And by default, Google has already generated some descriptions for you based on the information you gave it. You see, this is a maximum performance ad, so that's why it's behaving this way. So here for images, okay, here for images, you can add up to 20 images, right? You can click on this to add an image. You see, on Google, you can add an image. These are free stock images. Okay, these are free stock images. All this view, these are free stock images. And you can just come here and click on add all. Okay, add all. So here, the good thing about this thing is that Google will generate their images, its images for you. But then there is an option here whereby you can upload your own images. Okay, upload your own images. It's not a must that you must use the stock images from Google. Okay, you can generate your own images, or if you have been running ads, you can go to your asset library and then pick images, or you can go to website or socials and pick your images, or you can just upload your own images. Okay, so here, once you included your images, you can click on save. Right, I have generated 15 of 20 images, different images that Google can use at different times so that they can be able to maximize your ad, right? Okay, they can be able to maximize your ad. You can equally select all here and images, and Google will effectively crop these images to fit into the aspect ratio that they need to use, right? And then for logos, Google has already, from the information you put in, Google has already input more logos for you. But if you don't want these logos, you can click on edit and then change the logos to give you exactly what you want, right? So you can put in your business name. Now here is the place where you will put in your Google business profile, Google business profile name, right? This is where you're going to put it. Okay, your Google business profile name. This is where you're going to put it. So here is the video section. So you can include a video, right? You can include a video. You can just search YouTube, or you can create a video. So if you search YouTube, maybe you have a video uploaded on YouTube. Let's find one of my videos that's uploaded on YouTube. Let's try to use this video for the sake of this tutorial. Let's use this video. Okay. Uh, okay. All right. So you can select this video, right? You can just select this video, and then you can click on save. So we now have a video ad. Okay. We now have a video ad. So you can click in site links. Okay, it says add four or more to maximize performance. You can add in site links. Okay, you can add these site links. You can go to your asset library. Uh, you can add in site links. So this is very quite good for businesses who have a website. Okay, you have a website and there are different pages in your website. You can get different site links, and then you can you can put in different links so that you can be able so that Google can be able to use all those site links to recommend and to input your ads in places that it will be bound to perform the best. Okay, you can add in your site links, or you can just leave different site links because you have already added a place, a destination, a final destination that you want to bring people to. So this is call to action. Now you can choose one call to action, or you can leave it at automated. You can click learn more. You can choose learn more, get quote, apply now, or that thing. But you can leave it at automated so that Google can automatically choose the button, the call to action button that they want that will best, trigger the emotions you want in your leads so that they can be able to click your button on the ad. So these are signals. Okay. These are signals. Okay. Here, signals has to do with audience. Okay. It has to do with audience. You must create an audience that you want to run ads to. Okay. You must create audience that you want to run ads to. So here you come down and you click audience signals. Audience signals. Here is the place that you can choose them by demographics. You first of all name your audience. Okay, let's give our audience a name. Let's call this Nigerian audience. Nigerian audience one. Okay, let's call the Nigerian audience one. So we can choose the demographics, female, male, unknown. Then the ages, okay, 18 to, we can choose to show this as for to people who are 18 to 44. Okay. Then you can click on additional demographics where you parents, not a parent, stuff like that. You can leave it the way it is. And then, yeah, you have done good with the demographics. Now you can choose on segments, right? Segments. You can choose new segments. Okay. In segmentation, in segmentation, okay, I'm coming. I don't want to confuse you guys. Okay, these are people, okay, okay. So that to not be confused, you click on continue. You get to the part where you will put in your audience, right? You click on continue. I don't want to confuse you guys. You click on continue. So here you pick your budget. You can click your budget. So here Google already shows you a budget that you can pick. Now it will also show you an average budget for people who are running the kind of ads you want to run. Okay, it will show you the average budget people who are running the kind of ads you want to run that they are going to spend, right? So here it says recommended. You can put this or you can choose this, okay, or you can set your custom budget, right? You can set your custom budget and you can click on continue, or you can click on continue. Now you've gotten to the last part. Now, if there is something wrong with your ad, it will be shown in this area. If there is something wrong with your ad, it will be shown in this area. This button will not appear here. This button will never appear here, right? It will be shown in this area and you will be prompted to fix that thing that is wrong. But here we just selected an ad and it appears as if nothing is wrong. Okay, you can just go to signals. It says select themes. Okay. Signals, and audience, also themes. Okay. See, it says, what are some words or phrases people use when searching for your products? Okay, when searching for products, the keywords people are going to use is freelancer, right? Right, freelancer. You can also use copywriter. You can also use content writer. You can also use graphic designer. You can also use UI, UX designer. So you can put up to 25 of these, keywords here that people can use to search for you, right? Okay. You can also click on next. Uh, you take a look at this again. You can click on next. You see, it's checking for errors. Okay. Google Ads is checking for errors. Say your campaign is ready to publish. Okay. So your campaign is ready to publish. Okay. See, your campaign is ready to publish. Right? So you can look at everything here. You can adjust your budget to go lower or go higher. Okay, for the interest of this video, I'm not going to be doing this. You can adjust your budget any amount you want, but always keep an eye on the amount, on the average amount people spend, or you can just put it lower. The ad will still perform, but then it can still, your ad will still perform, right? But then if you add the average recommended budget, it will do better. So these prompts, these recommendations here are recommendations Google will give you. Like, they will want you to fix this, but even if you don't fix it, okay, even if you don't fix it and add more links here, your ad will still perform well. And the way to know that you got everything right is to look through here. You see everything has been marked. Everything has been marked, right? Everything has been marked here. Okay, so your ad will still perform well. So if you hit on publish, your ad will publish and start running. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope you understand what I said. If there are questions, reach me in the private chat and we can talk about it. Okay, right. So I'll see you in the next video.